Hello? Is anybody out there? Hello? Hello?
Try to keep away, remain a long time distance, but always get me in the end. Irrational thoughts. Why are you coming back to my door when there's no room for you? I know I buried you long ago.
Alright, we made it. It was very fun. And I got really cold by the end. So, came out and it was a good session. Alright, bye-bye.
Are those lover birds?
We woke up on Sunday morning and it's supposed to start raining, but then turn to snow, and we're supposed to get like 3 to 5 inches. And then Shaun saw that there could be a wave later today. So Super Bowl Sunday, snowstorm session. Let's do it, hopefully. What do you have to say for yourself?
Happy to be alive.
All right, see you guys at the beach. We've made it to the end of the beach, and it ends at this inlet where the ocean comes in and meets the narrow river. It's a river mouth. In the summer we came here and paddleboarded from a spot all the way down inland out to here, and then we were able to get off and hang out on the sandbar. Pretty cool. We are gonna head back and get into something else. Bye-bye.
Want a wet wetsuit?
Let's do it. We are going on our snowstorm surf. Super Bowl Sunday snowstorm surf. Very excited. I'm already dressed because my wetsuit is wet and it is snowing outside and cold. The temperature is 34 degrees outside. And Shaun's got his foil. I've got my foamy. We've got some hot water bottles, all our gear, some tea. So we're good to go. All right, see you guys out there.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine.
Where'd you guys go? We're going. All right, see you soon.
Look at those little dreamers. Nobody out. Footprints in the snow. Yeah?
My face is like, woo! I don't want to touch my face. I feel like it's gonna shatter.
Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it?
Girl, good day. Just got home and gonna get cleaned up and changed and showered and all the good things, but I thought I'd show you what it looks like outside right now. The snow is coming down. Friends, this day would not be complete without a piping hot bowl of Rhode Island clam chowder. That is the clear kind, dairy-free. Check it out. It's still snowing. Thank you so much for joining in again on another adventure. We had a blast, and yeah, we were just having so much fun making these videos. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say and talk to you, have a conversation, just all of it. Thank you again, and until next week, goodbye.